Hello and welcome. Today we're going to test out this TikTok shop product that I got for $9.88. Ooh, super cool. Bit of pieces. I won't need these. 3 resin things. Played with the resin for a solid minute. Starting to realize I might need instructions. Had some difficulties. If only I had some instructions. I think it started to turn on. Sat here for like a minute waiting for it to start. Finally, it's starting. My bad, having some difficulties. I don't even know what's happening at this point, bro. Trying to get it to work properly. Time to make my beautiful masterpiece. Yo, call me like 3D printed Picasso or something. I know, you all are probably jealous of my beautiful masterpiece. I am so skilled, bro. Yo, what am I even doing, bro? Bro, it legit started like clicking at me, bro. I might be fat, bro. It might explode. It was like stuck on like glue, bro. Bro, I have no idea what I'm doing. Aw, it's so perfect. I'm selling it for $200 on eBay. Who's buying? Started just playing with it. I don't know, bro. I'm tripping. Yo, I don't feel safe having this in my hand. I feel like it's gonna blow up. No! My perfect second masterpiece. My mom said she could do so much more better than me. So far, I'm cooking compared to her. I think she's trying to draw a box. Yo, she is not doing better than me, Bill. I am absolutely flying her. Yo, I absolutely suck at holding a camera. Yo, this absolutely sucks, bro. For real, for real. Yo, this is a YouTube video. You cannot draw this. Apparently, she's drawing an airplane. Low key wise, it's actually kind of looking good. Mine's still better though, but it's looking not bad. Okay, this is my mom's, and this is mine. Rate who's better. Overall, not bad. You get 3 resin things, and it's just overall not bad. Kind of scary. It popped at me a lot of times. I got burnt, but overall, if you're careful, it's amazing, phenomenal for $9, almost 10. So I'm gonna rate it a 9.5 to a 9.